Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing some awesome stuff with the VR4 in preparation for the Spocom show. My VR4 is going to actually be in Spocom and to compete, but I don't expect to win anything just because the wrap's really cool, but all of the parts on my car are pretty much rep parts, and that's how I roll because the whole point of the channel is to make your car look cool on a budget. So I'm not looking to win anything just because rep parts don't win shows, and that's just the way it is. But it's okay, as long as I like the way the car looks, that's all that matters. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna install a boost gauge onto the car, which has been kind of sitting there on the floor inside the passenger seat. And hopefully I can get it done, but mainly it's gonna get washed and detailed and cleaned up. First off, let's peep the 240 since the last video. It's parked over here now. It's looking good. It's still giving me a little bit of a bogging issue when I'm trying to accelerate in first and second gear between like 1.5, 2,000 RPM and 4,000 RPM. It's not giving me that much power. But good thing is that it's not shutting off when I sit at idle, so that's great. Get that thing running soon. I'm probably gonna end up going on Facebook Market and trying to find a engine and then a cherry picker, and then I have to get one that's strong enough to lift the whole back end up so I can drop the motor from the subframe and take that whole thing out so I can redo it. But over here, this is the subject of the day. The AMG. I'm probably gonna, you guys will probably see this done later on, but I'm half done with it, but it's showtime, baby. So yeah, it's pretty dirty. You guys can't really see it probably, but it's all, there's like a nice, there you go, a thin layer of dust on it. Woo, damn. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some more, wash this, put some more ceramic coating on this, some more ceramic coating on this, put the snake eyes back in because I didn't like the snake eyes before because it was black and the snake eyes is white, but I think now that the car is chrome, the snake eyes work just fine. Down to Spocom right now on my way to San Francisco, and it's about 7 in the morning, and look how off my speedometer is. I'm doing 3,000 RPM in 5th gear and it says I'm going 50, so I'm not sure how to fix that. Maybe my speed sensor's off, but yeah, at 3,000 RPM in 5th gear I'm doing about 85 or close to 90 right now. So anyway, we'll see you guys there. Alright guys, I am finally here. We got the GTR in the back next to me, and then I got my Chrome VR4. A lot of music playing, so I'm not going to be recording that much. I might be voiceovering some of this stuff, but basically we're parked right here with the rest of the crew that I showed up with. So hopefully we'll win something today because I'm just competing, but you know how it is. So I'll show you guys some footage of this, and then I'm gonna walk around and check out some cars. I see Christian's cars over there. I'm gonna have to do some touch-ups on his. All right, you guys know I always come prepared. We got ourselves some of Christian's wrap, and we got his car right here. This is an episode of Christian's Wrap Exposed. So right here, because the old lip was there, I have to put a patch piece. Christian, your car's looking fucking good, bro.
Thank you, bro. Thanks for touching up the white, dude.
I know, now it looks clean.
Yeah, that was dope.
I know. I like this lip a lot better than the one that you used to have.
It's way better though. But it's expensive and it's rare. You can't find it anywhere.
You just gonna take it off when you drive?
No, I drove with it here.
That's it, just for today.
Just for today, man. Just for today. No, I'm probably gonna take it off when I daily the car again. But
yeah. If you wrap it, then it'll protect it.
I like the carbon though. The carbon.
No, yeah, you carbon wrap over carbon.
Like a little brawl.
Yeah, it protects that shit. You know how it is.
But I'm just worried about it getting fucking destroyed. You know what I mean? Like, being so low.
You are hella steezy.
Thank you, man.
Dude, can't wait for that 240.
It's ridiculous how low this is. I'm static. I don't even know why I did that.
No, it looks good. That's the whole point.
Yeah. It's just, it's so risky.
Oh, hold on.
Super risky.
All right, cool. He runs the 99 VR4. I think it's sick. But we're gonna do a catch can setup. So basically, catch can's gonna run into this, but this still goes down there. You just want a T right here.
Right here, yeah. Pretty much, you want to cut this line, extend it out, and then tee it into a catch can. So your crankcase vapors are gonna come out into the can. The can's gonna filter it, condense it, drop it down, and only clean air is gonna actually go back into the engine. Under boost, this valve is gonna close, and this line is gonna see vacuum, so it's gonna draw out your crankcase vapors out of here, and then into the rear turbo, because this one connects to the rear turbo.
I see. So that it burns the vapor.
Right.
Okay.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh man! Look at Mike fucking just doing work right at the show.
And that's what it's all about.
You the man, bro. Okay, so just like that. But then when I get a catch can for that back one, I want to tee it into here.
Right here. So
Okay.
you're gonna extend it, maybe put it right here, or
so one hose goes into the catch can. It goes in there, and then the other hose of the outgoing catch can goes back into
the valve, or back into your pre-turbo.
Basically, it just interrupts this connection.
Right.
But there's a can. Okay, cool. Got it.
Exactly.
Yo, you the man, Mike. Mike's 99 VR4. You guys probably seen this in a previous episode, but he's done some new stuff to it. Upgraded poly bushing.
For the ABS to leave. So braking now is like fucking night and day difference from before. It's a lot more direct.
It's better to brake without ABS.
If you got confidence in yourself, yeah, totally.
Not me.
You learn. You'll learn. Either.
But I like this setup right here.
No, it just goes.
No, it's just straight down. It's fucking cold air intake, baby.
It was like
shit.
$20 on Amazon.
What? This?
Yeah.
What is it called?
Intake ducting. Search intake ducting and it should come up.
Intake ducting. Okay, got you.
They sent me a fucking blue one though, so I painted this shit gold and I paint matched this one to the paint of the car.
That's fucking sick. I'm gonna figure out how to do that. Cold air, baby.
We're gonna have to delete your ABS pump. The ABS pump sits in the fender right here. But, see, I got the stainless line. So now from the prop valve on the firewall, it's all stainless lines to the front.
Oh, okay.
So here I'm checking out all these cars that are kind of similar to mine. So, 240s and stuff like that. I'm always trying to steal some ideas of what I like at the shows. Like the interior on this is very nice. I like the this wing right here. I gotta find out where that comes from, or I'm gonna make one. So yeah, that's basically what I do at the shows, is just scope things out. Here on this car, it's a McLaren and it's wrapped, so I'm looking at how the wrap is done by whoever did it and just seeing what I could do better and what they could have done better. So I like how this BMW is set up. The kit is very aggressive with all the splitters and stuff like that. I like the time attack look, so I'm gonna do one of my cars kind of like this.
Guys, so since I'm chilling here at the show and we got all that going on, I brought some stuff to do while I'm waiting, and what I'm gonna do is I'm installing the boost gauge right now, right here at the show. So let's flip this around and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing here. So I got these guys here, and I got my boost gauge. So basically this is just something from eBay that I got, I think, or Amazon. I forgot what brand it is, but basically it's just this boost gauge. Okay, so if you want to know where I hooked up my boost thing that comes with the hose, so when you buy the hose, it comes with this thing that gets wired or ran through the firewall,
through the cord that they provide, and then I am teeing it into here. So this line connects to the map sensor, and it connects to this 4-way tee that I got going on. Not sure where all that is, but this portion connects to that part of the plenum. So I don't know where it goes down, but basically you're just teeing into a thing that has boost pressure. Okay, so now that you got this thing ran into this controller is split into a bunch of wires. There's a power, there's a black, and then there's a white. So on your boost gauge, you're looking at boost gauge set up like this, with the green going to the white, white and red going to power, and then black going to black. So I have ran the cords accordingly, and then I labeled them over here like this. So green to green, black to black, red to power. And then that way now you can put it kind of anywhere because you have long enough cables. Basically, that's how it works. And I need another gauge for this pod. I'm not sure which one I should get yet. You guys let me know in the comments which one I should get. Probably air to fuel ratio gauge. Just to complete the look. I don't really care because it's already tuned and good to go. And I'm not driving that fast, of course. But I've already tested this. Once you turn the key to power, this should light up if you did it correctly. You turn the engine on and then rev it, and then you'll see the boost cluster go up. I think I have it set it to blue. All right, guys, I'll show you guys this mounted and everything on the next video with the VR4. But until next time, this will be like this.
Okay, so this is a very interesting wing. So as you guys can see here, this is no ordinary wing. It has, it's see-through, actually, almost. He said it's made out of like the bulletproof material, so something like this. And then you've got these little brackets in here that holds it on. Custom made, and then there's a LED strip right in here, right along that, and then he custom made this thing right here. All right, guys, that was a great show. I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is my first show in the Bay Area. Everyone's rolling out right now, so you guys can see behind me all the cars that were in the show. They are now leaving, but when there's such a perfect spot by the water for me to take pictures, I'm gonna have to take this opportunity. I'm gonna have to take this opportunity and get some of these perfect Instagram shots. You know how it is. Yo, check it out, guys. Look at this. So here we're out in the bay. And right over there is the bridge, I think. Kind of hard to see, Golden Gate. But man, look at this. What a beautiful shot. A VR4 chilling right here. Oh, money. Look at that, there you go. There's the thumbnail right there. Guys, the boost gauge is installed. I just have to mount it. So there it is. One last look for the next video. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked this one. Until next time, leave me a comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later.